Tennessee Bird Walk is a 1970 novelty single by the country music husband and wife duo Jack Blanchard and Misty Morgan. The single was the duo's second release on the country charts and became their most successful single. Tennessee Bird Walk went to number 1 on the country charts for 2 weeks and spent a total of 16 weeks on the chart. The single also crossed over to the top 40, peaking at number 23. It is a novelty song theorizing on the effects of removing the wings, feathers, singing ability, and common sense from birds, along with bird baths and the trees in which the birds reside. According to the first verse, these removals will result in bald-headed birds walking southward in their dirty underwear. Chart performance.